Anyone have any questions still? I think hope all are available for last session, right? Anyone having any questions, please let me know. Right. If you don't have questions, then we'll start. Good to start. Now, already we discussed, right? Salesforce is a company. Okay, Salesforce is a cloud-based company, cloud-based CRM technology, and also it is a company. It is a US-based company. It is US-based company. Okay, and also Salesforce is what is CRM? Already we discussed, right? CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. So by using CRM, we can improve the business relationship, and also we can interact with the customers. If any customers are facing any issue, means we'll give the good support, and will maintain the relationship between the customer and business is nothing but a CRM. Okay, and CRM umbrella, it is a Salesforce also one of the CRM technology. Under CRM, there is a many technologies we have like Viva CRM or Microsoft Dynamics CRM or SAP CRM. The different types of CRMs are available. But why customers are specifically looking for Salesforce.com, that already we discussed. If you want more knowledge, you can check in Salesforce documents as well. Just you can search in Google Salesforce CRM. You can get multiple websites, multiple theoretical part it will give. So we can read if you have time. Okay, it's not a problem. We can read more documents. It is advantage, right, to get the more knowledge about CRM. Okay, right. Now, so Salesforce is provided different services. So services provided by the Salesforce. Below services, I will tell you. So below services, Salesforce will provide to the customers. What are the services? One is SaaS, software as a service, and platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Again, I'm repeating last class also clearly I mentioned, don't write anything from your end. Whatever I mentioned, that is sufficient for you to understand the concept. Just listen what I'm teaching. Okay. After that, if any practical scenarios I'm doing in class, same thing you can execute in your free arc later. Okay, don't do simultaneously, and don't write anything. Please listen what I'm teaching. Okay, right. SaaS application, PaaS application, and infrastructure as a application. What is SaaS application means? It is a software as a service. Software as a service. Example of SaaS application is WhatsApp. WhatsApp and mobile applications. Simply, I can say that mobile applications and Gmail, etc., etc. SaaS application means Salesforce also provided some pre-built functionalities for the developers or for the customers to enable securities or to enable the access and all, to control how the data visibility and all. Already Salesforce is provided some standard applications, some predefined applications or predefined software. Already Salesforce is provided. So that is the reason it is also comes under SaaS application. Simply SaaS is nothing but whatever software Salesforce is provided, that software we can use for our business purpose if required. Otherwise, you can implement our own applications as well. Example, why I'm telling WhatsApp, mobile application, Gmail, etc. is belongs to SaaS application means, do you have any access to customize the application? No, right? In WhatsApp application, only three tabs we have: chat, status, and also we can make the calls to other your contacts, right? So only the three tabs only visible. If you want one more tab, or if you want to customize to send a email by using WhatsApp, is there any possibility to customize? No. Whatever WhatsApp functionalities are enabled, same functionalities we can use for our personal usage. Other than that, we don't have any access. We don't have platform to build our own way, or to we don't have platform to build or any other functionalities in WhatsApp application. So these type of applications, it will comes under SaaS application, that is software as a service. Now, what is platform as a service? Salesforce also, it is comes under software as a service, it is comes under platform as a service, it comes under infrastructure as a service as well. Platform as a service. What is platform as a service means? Salesforce enabled force.com platform platform to build 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Give me 1 second. Okay. So Salesforce is enabled force.com platform to build brand new applications. Brand new applications based on business requirement. Based on business requirement. Okay. So Salesforce, not only it is a SaaS application, it is also PaaS application, platform as a service. What is platform as a service means? So they enabled some platforms not only for standard applications. If the business required for any brand new application, whatever Salesforce is enabled, it is not sufficient for the business purpose. If the business users are required any brand new applications or brand new tables, objects and all, that also we can build by using Salesforce technology. So that is comes under which service? That is comes under platform as a service. By using platform as a service, we can build n number of applications for the business purpose. Okay. What type of applications? Depends on the business need. Either it should be banking applications, or maybe it's related to some pharma related applications. Based on the domain section, what business is using domain, the domain specific applications we can use. By using Salesforce, any kind of web applications or any kind of applications we can build. Okay, that is possible. Those that features are enabled for the customer. That is the reason everyone is nowadays looking for Salesforce.com technology. By using that technology for the business purpose, the business people can do everything related to software. Okay, so that product handle. Now, what is infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service. So IaaS is nothing but a infrastructure as a service, means who will improve the infrastructure. Example, I can say that everyone using mobile, right? That too everyone using for smartphones nowadays. Android mobile, iPhone mobiles, depends on the devices. Some people are using iOS devices, Android system, depends on different types of mobiles people are using in market. Now, did you observe that? So every 6 months depends on the OS. Maybe in iPhone, maybe yearly once they're going to upgrade. If it is a Android, maybe quarterly wise. Every 4 months, we'll get a notification to upgrade your OS. If you are upgrading your OS, they clearly mention that pop-up window. If you are upgrading, below functions are introduced, and your OS performance will increase. Your mobile performance also, it is better compared to older version. Whatever features they're going to enable, maybe sometimes what happen, if you upgrade the new OS version, what will happen? Some of the functionalities they're going to disable. Why they're going to disable some of the functionalities means, maybe because of that functionalities, maybe your performance issues, maybe performance issues will come. If you want to reduce the performance issues or better performance to give the customer, then they will upgrade the OS. So if you want, you can upgrade the OS, or you can continue with the older version as well. So same like in Salesforce also, Salesforce side, they're going to build any new functionalities, or they're going to introduce any new things to the customer for better performance or better flexibility. Then who will do that? It will do by Salesforce team. So that is the reason Salesforce also, it is a US based IT company. Salesforce also one of the company is available. What they're doing means they're improving the infrastructure to the customers. Whoever purchasing applications or whoever purchasing Salesforce license from the Salesforce company, so whatever new features, automatically they will upgrade new features to all their existing customers. So we are all our customers to the Salesforce team, right? Even business, because of we are using Salesforce technology. Okay, so that it will comes under infrastructure. Who will work on infrastructure? So this service, this service using Salesforce team to improve the technology. Okay, technology. And also they will release the update based on the releases. Maybe we have three releases. One is the winter, sprint, and the summer. So yearly they're having three releases. Each release they're going to introduce new functionalities, or maybe they're going to disable existing functionality to improve the performance. But before releasing the new release, or before releasing any new functionalities, they will notify all the customers before 1 month, and we need to test all the functionalities in lower environments, and then we'll migrating to actual environment, that is the live environment. That is how real time will do. Okay, that maybe we'll discuss later point of view. Okay, so this is something like different services Salesforce is provided. What are the services? Again, I'm repeating, it is a SaaS application. Because of Salesforce is enabled some standard pre-built applications. If required, you can use it. Otherwise, you can create our brand new applications by using platform as a service. They're also enabled, that platform is nothing but a force.com platform. This is under salesforce.com company. Okay, so salesforce.com is a company. They will enable force.com platform to build our own applications. And also there is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So if anything is improved, or if any technology improvement or any new functionalities they're going to enable for Salesforce technology, then they're using for IaaS, infrastructure as a service. By using that service, they'll improve their technology and they'll provide more flexibility, better performance to the customers. Okay, any questions up to now? Services clear? Please let me know if you have any questions. So what are the domains? Domains are clouds, they're enabled. Okay, so domains are clouds. I will give you some clouds. One is a marketing cloud, marketing cloud, and also there is a sales cloud. Already yesterday we discussed, right, what is marketing cloud. By using, so how we can sell the product. Before selling the product, we can do multiple marketings, right, like campaigns, advertisements, teleconference. So the campaign also, whenever you are doing campaign, you are going to estimate that how much revenue based on the campaign you will get it, and also what is the campaign budget, how many people are working on that campaign. So it is a teleconference or advertisement, depends on the campaign and all. They're doing marketing. Based on the marketing, maybe they will get the leads and all. Based on the leads, maybe they will estimate some revenue as well. Okay, based on the leads only, they will convert to existing account contact opportunity. Okay, so that and all we'll discuss in detail later. But marketing cloud using for marketing purpose, sales cloud using for selling purpose. So what are the products we are selling, how many products are selling, so that and all it will by using sales cloud we can manage those things. And also we have one more, that is something like service cloud. Okay, service cloud means once you sell the product, if the product is having any issues, or maybe application, any users are using application, that application is not opened, maybe that application is not working to the customer, then they're using for service cloud. Okay, so that. Now next one is health cloud. Health cloud also, it is a recent future. Health cloud means how we are going to maintain the patient relationship, patient to doctor relationship. This is also one domain, health cloud domain. All domains they're enabled related to trailheads. Maybe once the training is completed, if you have time, maybe specific related to marketing cloud, health cloud, they're enabled specific orgs as well. Whatever we are going to discuss for free developer edition, the developer edition having for sales cloud and service cloud features, and remaining marketing cloud, health cloud, maybe another clouds. Maybe there is a different types of clouds also we have. say another clouds, maybe we have a specific environment separately, that also already there in trailhead one of the documents. You can go to the documents, you can follow and you can create a new thing, and it is available only for 30 days for trial runner. Then you can practice if required. Maybe please remember me, once everything is training is completed, maybe I will explain how to create health cloud related, how to create marketing cloud. Maybe I will provide some trailheads. Okay, I will explain trailhead concept as well after completing some basic levels. Okay, so this is again something about Salesforce.com. What is Salesforce.com? Which type of application it is, which type of company. So and also below services are using, and these are the domains, and also where this technology using. Previously this technology using for more APAC and USA regions, not for EMEA regions. Nowadays EMEA regions also using more. Now globally this technology is using now. Okay, previously some specific locations people are not using Salesforce technology, but so after few years, now people are looking for Salesforce technology everywhere. So now globally this technology is using, that is the reason this technology is more demand on market. Okay, right. So any questions before going to create a trial account, please let me know. Clear guys? At least give me some response, don't sit idly. So at least
Yes,
give me some.
yes, sir. Yes, it's clear.
Thank you. Thank you. So that it is proactive. Otherwise, so if simply sitting, so it is one way talking, it is not good, right? So I'm requesting, right? Trial account. So what is trial account and why using trial account means? So this is something like free version, free version of the Salesforce account, Salesforce account, and it is it is valid lifetime. Like access, you can access 6 months once. I think 6 months only. Maybe you can check later. 6 months once. Otherwise, if you are not login, if you are not login, if you are not login up to 6 months or 1 year, they will send one reminder email to the related email address, whatever email address you are going to update. So that email address, you are not login with this account, please log in immediately. If you are not login, what they will do after sending multiple notifications, they're going to deactivate your free account. Suppose you are continuously using this account, if you are continuously using this account, then this account is valid for lifetime. Okay, so like Gmail. Okay, but Gmail, it's not going to deactivate, but the Salesforce, they're going to deactivate after few days if you are not logging continuously. Okay, there is certain limit, either 6 months or 1 year, not sure exactly. I think nowadays are they decreased to 3 months or something. Maybe you can get a notification, don't worry. Anyway, people are keep on watching emails, right? So that is the reason, always whenever creating trial account, just give the valid email address, which email address you are using regular basis. Okay, right. Now, so how to create account means, url is https, give the protocol https developer dot salesforce.com. Okay, developer dot salesforce.com /sign up. Just give it, hit this URL, and also steps to create account. Steps to create account is below. I'm going to mention. First, I'm going to create an account. Just take this URL, open with any browser. Better always I'm expecting to use for Google Chrome. Even Salesforce also suggested to use for Google Chrome. Why? Because Google default, but some of the people are using Edge browser as well, right? But Edge browser also Salesforce is supported, but sometimes maybe the response will slow. So better Salesforce whatever recommended browser is the Google Chrome browser. Okay, if you don't have, you can install. Anyway, it is a free version, right? So hit this URL, open the browser and hit this URL. Okay, so what is that? So here click on Salesforce, not this one. Just enter here. Why it is having again they changed. Let me check this. Go to Salesforce, log in with a different, maybe try for free, but don't create like this. If you create like this, it is a free account, just it is valid for only a few days. But is there any wrong URL? This is, I think it will come here. Salesforce sign up. Otherwise, I'll open like this developerpros.com. Register now. Not this one. This is another one. Just go to here. Think they mentioned this recently. They changed this URL. Maybe they disabled. Not this one. But don't use this one. So this is I think free only for few days. Maybe it's not for valid up to time. So this is completely start free trial. Our will be touch with the free trial. This is only for 30 days trial. Not this one. Not this one. Maybe I'll going to enter this one. Salesforce free developer account. Just mention like this in Google search. So we have one more way also, but create free developer account. See here, previously also they mentioned the same thing. We have a sign up button. This is the screen previously we have. Now they changed actually. Let me find out that. So maybe let me check this build. Here we have again it will come free trial. Again it is coming like this. Let me find out one more URL then maybe. This is not working, I think so. Right. Anyway, this is the URL. It is working finally. See, I think same URL only. Whatever I mentioned, this is the same URL. Okay. See, let me check that. Yeah, that is the same URL only. Anyway, I'll mention here. Okay. Hmm. Right. So if you are not finding, then search with that Salesforce. Here, Salesforce website is also available, right? Developer.salesforce. Just click on developer edition sign up so that it will. This is the old one actually. So either you can hit this URL, otherwise you can search with developer.salesforce.com sign up. Maybe I will check few direct URL also. Maybe that is the direct URL. Sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working, means maybe Salesforce said some upgradation it is going on. Okay, give the name of the URL. So just I'm giving some name. Okay, so like this, and give the valid email address. This is the email address. It is valid because of this email address only we can get the password link. Okay, if you are giving invalid email address, you are not possible to set up the password. Always give the email address, and whatever email address you are continuously using, give the same email address. That is the better. Okay, so gmail.com. And also your role, you can select any role. If you are a developer or admin, better you can select any role, no issues. And the company name, as of now I'm giving ABC, or maybe Winolearn. Learn, wherever your so now Learn, you can give the Learn company name, and also give the location, which location you are working, India. And if you are other location, then give the based on the locations whatever available in drop down. And the postal code, you can give any postal code, random postal code. It's not required for valid one, just they're validating backend. But even though you are giving wrong one also, nothing will impact. And also username, always this username should be email format. Okay, your name at the rate company.com, same like how your Outlook emails they're going to create in real time, same like here also. Email form, username always it should be email format, name at the rate company.com. See, suppose I'm going to use Raju hyphen July, just I'm giving like this, Raju July at the rate winolearn.com. Okay, that is how I'm giving. So my name at the rate winolearn.com. If you are giving any, so same like Gmail how it is validating, if already username is available for any other user, then system is not allowing. This value should be unique. Email you can use, email you can use n number of times, but username should be unique. We can use same email ID for multiple accounts, but username should be unique. Just accept your checkbox conditions and all, and then click on sign me up button. Okay, again I'm repeating, give the first name, last name, email address, role, and company here, something like this, and click on sign me up. Once click on sign me up button, you can get a email notification from the Salesforce. You can get a email notification, still it is processing. I don't know, nowadays it will take time to processing for free developer account. Maybe multiple people are working now, multiple people are using Salesforce. Previously immediately it will receive the email link, but now it is taking time. Okay, just refresh now. Why it is? Click on sign me up button again. Maybe the page is not responding. Huh? See, now you are already used that username, another Salesforce arg means already it is created. See, now we'll get the notification. Let's see, just check the spam email. No, we are not getting, right? Let's see, we cannot enroll your Salesforce developer account because email address enter already in use. Okay, let's see, it will take some time to create that username. Let's see, maybe I'm going to give something 2023, same details. My email ID is correct, right? So click on sign me up button again. If you create multiple times same account, it will receive immediately. That I don't know what is happening in Salesforce side. Sometimes it is taking time, and sometimes it is. See, it is refreshing now. Wait for some time. Okay. Before processing, I'll give the steps. What is the first step? Open the browser and hit the above URL, and so enter first name and last name last name along with valid email email address. Okay, and also enter personal details. And here next step is enter the username, and it should be email format. It should be email format, that is name at the rate company.com. company company.com. Okay, and also here once click on button, once click on button, button, password link, password link sent to, password link sent to your email address, your email address, and click on that link, click on email link, and set up password, password. That's it. So this is how we can create a free developer edition. If you go to Salesforce again, see if almost there. If you go to here, oh sorry, it's spam. Again, I'm checking all emails. So see here, I so here see first one I received July at Raju at July 2023. Still it is not released. Okay, anyway, click on verify account now. Click on verify account in the link verify account. Once verify account, it will ask password SFDC at 2023. Just give the password, whatever password. The password is combination of letter and number. Maximum character, sorry, minimum characters are 8. You can use maximum also, and also you can enter security question. So I'm using SFDC. Change the password. Once you change the password, see successfully logged in. So whatever logged in, this version is nothing but a lightning version. Okay, this is lightning version. If you go to classic, so there is a right side view profile, one icon is there in above top of the right side page. There is a switch to classic. Here down in options, under options, switch to classic. If you click on switch to classic, see this is the older version, this is the older version. So by default it is landing to new version. That version is called as a lightning version. Why Salesforce is converted classic older version to lightning version means, so lightning version it is support to all the devices, any device like mobile or desktop or iOS device, anything. But classic functionalities it is not supported for few of the mobile devices. We have some browser compatibility issues. That is the reason Salesforce is migrated to new version. But still Salesforce is enabled both the versions, classic and lightning. Now still some of the customers are using classic version because of they're already familiar with the navigation and all. But some of the customers, some of the companies are forcibly to use lightning version to the customer, and they disable the functionality in classic. But don't worry, I'm going to explain both classic and lightning version so that you can easy to learn both the versions. Okay, so if you go to switch to classic, then again go to view profile, same story, go to view profile, switch to classic. So this is how we can convert. If you want lightning experience, again before your name we have switch to lightning experience option. Click on switch to lightning experience so that it is converted to lightning experience. Functionality wise and data creation wise all are same, but compared to classic, lightning is something like rich look format. That user interface it will change, some navigation part and user interface it will change. And also advantage for lightning experience, almost icons are visible same like mobile icons. See application menu and some settings question mark, these are the mobile icons only, right? Same like how mobile icons are available, same icons they're using for lightning experience, so that customers are easily identify that. So that based on the icons also they easily remember because of keep on use everyone using for mobile, right? Same navigations here also available. Okay, so it's like a mobile application, something like mobile application, similar like lightning experience is a similar like mobile application. So customers are easily can use. And also they avoid multiple navigations. In classic having multiple navigations, but in lightning compared to classic, they will reduce wherever it is possibility is there, they will reduce for some navigation part as well. So these are the some of the differences for classic and lightning. So if you want more theoretical you can search in Google as well. Okay, but that and all we'll discuss, right? How to create free developer account, you know. But if it is URL is not working for your system, maybe you can search with the free developer account, so that you can you can get the link. Okay, free, I will mention that one also, don't struggle. Free developer or free developer Salesforce account. Okay, search with like this in your Google, so that you can get this URL. Wherever this URL is there, just click on that URL, developer edition, so that the browser will open and you can enter these details and you can use it. Okay, username always it should be unique. Unique means it is not allowing duplicate value. If already same username is using for other people, then it is not allowing. Okay, hope you clear how to create trial account. Right. In Salesforce, in Salesforce, classified classified into two UI versions. UI versions. Don't confuse. Version UI is nothing but a user interface. One is one is Salesforce Classic Classic version. Salesforce Classic version is nothing but a older version. Okay. One more is Salesforce Lightning version. Lightning version. This is something like newer. Okay, newer version. So this one, and also Salesforce versions. What is current Salesforce version and release? How you know Salesforce current version and release? Already we explained, right? Salesforce having three releases. One is the winter, one is winter, and also one more is sprint, and one more is summer. Okay, summer. So how you know whether current release is which release it is? Okay, current release is if you go to Salesforce, either you can check, go to maybe home. Here it is visible. I think here it is not visible. If you go to Salesforce Classic, if you go to Salesforce Gas, see here it is visible. See what is the release now? So it is a summer 23. Summer 23. Current release is, so what is the current release? Current release is summer 23. Summer 23. And also what is the current version? Current version is, if you open any free developer account, either you can open here, or maybe if you go to company information, maybe here it is not there, maybe let me check. Go to the company information. Here this is the developer edition. I think version is not available, right? Just what you have to do, just to open Salesforce developer guide. Just Salesforce developer guide, enter. So if you open the Apex developer guide, see now this is the version. See here, now summer 23 API version is 58. What is the API version? 58. Generally, see winter 23, spring 23, summer 23. Now summer 23, which version it is going on? API version is 58. Sometimes people are asking these type of questions as well. What is current API version? Is V58. You can check here how many versions we have. See, this is day one, it is spring 14. This is the API version. Now this is the version. Why they mention each version means, maybe this version, maybe some functionalities they disabled, maybe compared to this version maybe few functionalities are supported. So like that Salesforce is controlled backend. Okay, current release is the summer 23, and that API version is V58. This is how we can check in Salesforce which release and which version. Okay, this one. Now how to log in Salesforce? How to log in Salesforce account? So now you know how to create free developer account. How to create free developer account, you know, but how to log in Salesforce? Every time you need to hit this URL. Every time we need to click on developer.login Salesforce.login sign up, or maybe login button something. No, no need to required. Just we have one URL. That URL is nothing but https login.salesforce.com. Login.salesforce.com. There is URL. Your login URLs are two URLs we have. One is the login.salesforce.com. test.salesforce.com. Forget about test.salesforce.com, that I will explain later. Now login.salesforce.com, by using this URL we can log into the Salesforce, and just you hit this URL, enter the password and username, you can log in. So what is the username here? This is the username. Okay, so now log out. Now log out again. See, just click on login.salesforce.com. If you are use login with a different username, just enter the username and password, whatever password you set, just enter the password. See, I'm login. It will ask you register mobile number. If you want, you can register. Just enter your, select the country code, enter your mobile number, click on register. Your mobile also logged in. Why mobile register is required means, suppose your browser history is deleted or your account is accessing to any other browser or new browser, it will ask security code. If you are not registered, it will security code sent to your email ID. Instead of accessing mobile register mobile, it will get OTP directly to mobile. So you can easily use that OTP to enter here. So maybe I'm click on remain me later. I want to do it later as well. Click on remain me later. If you want, you can do it immediately. This is how we can log in into the Salesforce after creating account. Just simply hit this URL and enter your username and password. You can log into the free developer account. Now, what are the futures? What are the futures Salesforce Trailhead is enabled? So Trailhead enabled cloud is sales and service cloud related features it is enabled. Sales cloud, service cloud related features it is enabled. Okay. Edition. Edition is nothing but free developer edition. It is also called a developer edition. Developer edition means addition is nothing but a futures. Edition is nothing but a futures. So whenever you are creating free developer edition, it is always URL called login.salesforce.com. Why I mentioned multiple times means, so this is also one of the interview question. Based on this interview question also, they will identify whether you have a real time experience or not. Some people are telling invalid login URLs, so that they will easily recognize you don't have experience. Because of that is the basic fundamental question, right? How we are going to access Salesforce? Without knowing how we are going to access Salesforce, even though you have a good knowledge, what is the use? So that is the reason people are sometimes asking for these type of questions as well. How to access free developer edition? What is the URL? So that is the reason I mentioned multiple times. Okay. Now, environment. What is the environment? Environment is nothing but it is the same as production environment. So generally we are using production, right? Whatever mobile applications, everything it is same like production. So either personal use or business use or sales use, whatever. Okay, we are using application for the business purpose or maybe the personal usage, that applications are production applications. It's a live environment. That environment also it is the same as production. And also licenses. So Salesforce enabled two source platform licenses. These 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 licenses are enough for the testing purpose or practicing purpose. Okay, so already we discussed yesterday, right? Salesforce application is nothing but a license based application. Okay, either Salesforce two licenses they're enabled. Already we have used one. As soon as your account is created, automatically system will consume one license, that is called Salesforce license. Compared to Salesforce platform, this license cost also high. Why? Because this license users can access anything in Salesforce. This is the highest license. And also, what are the activities we can do? What are the activities we can do in this org means, we can do admin activities like whatever security models and all we can practice. And also we can practice CRM related like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. Already some standard application Salesforce is enabled. If you want to test any account contact opportunities, same like Flipkart, what are the features available, same products and all, here also we can practice. And also we can do development as well. We can do development means we can create our own applications for the testing purpose or for the business purpose. And in development we can discuss with Apex, Lightning web development, and also testing also we can do, and also we can do for integration. Whatever it is required for real time, all the activities we can practice here as well. Salesforce free developer edition. We can practice for deployment as well. Deployment, deployment as well. If anything is missing, that is also possible. Main thing in real time, these are the things we are doing, right? Apex development, some CRM basic object level creation and all. That also it is possible in free trial account. Okay, so hope you clear what is trial account and how to create trial account, and what are the versions we have, and what is current version and API version and releases, and also how to log in Salesforce, and what are the things we can control, or what are the things we can do in trailhead account. You know, any questions, team? Clear now? Trial account. Hmm? Any questions? Let me know.
No more questions.
Right, this is whatever I make it star symbol. So these are the some interview questions. Okay, so you can remember these points more. Hmm? So what are the domains and this one? That's it. These are the three questions they will ask. What type of CRM application means? It is a cloud-based CRM application. That is one interview question. What are the services they're provided, and what are the domains we have? What are the clouds? Okay, domains means again it will come different manner: banking domain, healthcare domain, pharmaceutical domain, vertical domain, financial domain. Okay, maybe some domain. So different types of domains also it is supported. Okay, trial account, how to create trial account, maybe that never asked like nowadays, but they will ask how to log in developer edition, and what are the releases we have. This is also one of the interview question. What are the releases we have? Winter, spring, summer, and they will ask what is the current API version. If you remember, you can tell. Maybe I don't know exactly remember what is the version, but current release is I think so somewhere 23 something you can tell. Okay, but don't sit idly. Not exact values. If you not remember, at least you can sell something about releases under. Hmm? And so these are the things you can practice. So whatever I made it as a star symbol, those are the interview questions. Okay, right. I think that's all for today's class. Okay, this is sufficient for today.